Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you step by step how you can improve your organic search engine rankings. In this video I want to show you exactly how you can use this specific tool to see what's wrong with your website, where you can improve your website, and so on and so forth. So for this I want to show you a quick example. I on Google and I was searching for plumber in Chicago, and then I found this website, and I want to show you, so this is not my website, this is a random website I found on Google by searching for the specific keyword. And I want to show you how you can analyze this website. So if this, for example, is your website, then you can see exactly what's wrong with your website, with this specific website, where you can improve the website. And this is what I want to show you. So then let's copy this URL here and then go to the tool. I will put the link to this tool in the video description down below. So this specific SEO tool is completely free. Completely free to use. You can use it as often as you want. You can even, if you want to, you can make an account. So then you can download the complete audit. If you want, you don't have to. So let's put in the website URL here and then click on, okay, I don't know, wrong here. So then click on review. Okay, now the website will get reviewed by the system. So after the review is finished, we will get a ton of information. What is good on this website? Where is the potential? Where are the low-hanging fruits? What we have to improve on our website, or in this case on this specific website. So this tool is really good. It's completely free. You can use it as often as you want. And so it takes a little bit because the website will get analyzed completely. And if you have your website, then make sure that you put in your website and that everything is okay with your website. So when the more easier you make it for Google and all the other search engines to crawl your website and to identify your website, the better it is. The more easy you make the job for Google, the more benefits your business or your website. So so let's get started. I think 80% is okay for now. So here you can see first we will get the title tag and the meta description. Here in this case you can see this specific website has a title tag and has a meta description. This is very good. So I don't know how optimized this title tag is. So this is a plumbing website, and they are based in Chicago. So I think it's not too bad. Make sure that your main keywords are in the title tag, and also make sure that your meta description is optimized. So the meta description is this little snippet that when somebody searches on Google for something, this is a little short description that everybody can see. And make sure that this is optimized for better click-through rate. And then no meta keywords. This is great. And here this is very important. So the headings, make sure on every page you only have one H1 heading, and make sure this H1 heading is optimized for your keywords, for your target audience. So you can have as much as H2, H3, H4 as you want, but remember only one H1 heading, and this H1 has to be optimized. So, but this is really good. Here you can see the preview of the website, how the website will get displayed in Google in the organic search. Could be a little bit longer, maybe a little bit more optimized, but it's not that bad. So this is great. Here you can see for this specific website the keywords that the website is targeted, and so this website looks not so good, not so bad from a technical perspective. So here you can see an XML site. The website has an XML sitemap. an XML sitemap. So this is really important that you have an XML sitemap on your website. Yeah, when you are building, for example, a WordPress website or an e-commerce store, then there are these specific SEO plugins you can install that automatically will generate the XML sitemap for you, and also the robot.txt file. So this website has also a robot.txt file. Yeah, everything on this website is good. So index pages, please ignore this. This doesn't work on the site, but the backlink count is working, and you can see this website has 33 backlinks. Could be a little bit more maybe. Then URL, okay, a fav icon is important, custom 404 page, this is good. Here you can see the speed of the website. The website could be a little bit faster, but it's not that bad. Make sure that your website is really fast. So if you have a speed score of 40 or 50 or even 60, that's not good, because nobody wants to wait so long when somebody visits your website or your e-commerce store and then they click on a page and the page loads forever. This is not really good, because then the people will close the tab or bounce back to Google, and this is not good. So make sure that your website is really fast. And yeah, so here we have the first mistake of the website. So the website has not set any language tag. So make sure that you have set your correct language tag. So if you are, for example, in the US, make sure your language tag is set to EN-US. This is very important. Or if you target another country, then make sure that your language tag is set correctly. Yeah, exactly. And then yeah, email privacy, safe browsing, everything. Yeah, everything is good with this website. So maybe next time I will find a website that is not that optimized, but yeah. So if you see any errors, for example, on your website, when you run your website through this auditing tool, and then make sure that you fix these specific errors. So for example, if you have an error here with the headings, if you have multiple H1, then you can see, then you can click here on the question mark, and then you can see what you have to improve on your website, how you can fix these specific errors. And this goes for everything. Meta description, you can click on these question mark icons here, and then you can read everything, what you have to do in order to fix or optimize your website. So, and yeah, I think if you are doing all these optimization, then your website of course is from the technical side very good, and make sure that you are putting in every single page of your website if you can, if you have the time, because yeah, then the tool will analyze every single page of your website and make sure that every single page of your website is optimized. And yeah, that's the best way to do it. And also make sure that you have high quality and unique content on your website. This is nowadays it's really important that you give high quality content, high quality information about what you're doing, what you're selling, what your offers are, what your services are, where you are located. Make sure yeah, this is 100% helpful to the potential visitors of your website, because nobody wants to visit a website and then get no information or only fluff content. So make sure that you write it yourself. Please don't use AI to write the content for your website. Make sure to write unique content yourself and optimize high quality content yourself. So yeah, that's it for the video. I think the link to this tool, to this SEO tool, I will put in the video description down below. So make sure to check it out. Like I said, it's completely free. And if you are, if you make an account on this website, then you can even download the report and as a PDF file and save it on your computer, or send it wherever you want. You can share it and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you have any questions, then make sure to put it down in the comments down below. And yeah, if you found the video informative, if you found the video helpful, if you learned something new, make sure to press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more interesting videos about SEO and website optimization. So that's it for the video. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.